Christmas time here in New York, and you've been to Rockefeller Center, you've seen the big tree, you've already seen the Rockettes. Now it's time to get a Christmas cocktail. My name is Greg Boehm, and I'm the founder of Miracle, a Christmas pop-up cocktail bar. I'm going to take you a little tour on some cocktail bars, all with a Christmas theme. We're here in the East Village on the border of the Lower East Side, and we're heading to a bar that 10.5 months of the year is called Boilermaker, but this time of year it's called Sippin Santa. Let's join the crowds for some Christmas festivities. Welcome to Sippin Santa. This is our tiki Christmas pop-up bar in collaboration with Jeff Beachbum-Berry. He literally wrote the book on tiki cocktails. Jeff and I are great friends, and he has his bar in New Orleans called Latitude 29. So we decided to turn both our bars into Christmas wonderlands. So let's grab those tiki mugs and festive glasses, and let's try some drinks. So why don't we start with the Azul Navidad. So I love my tequila and mezcal. We have that in there, along with your pineapple and coconut flavors served in a pearl diver glass. So yeah, this is a great drink, sort of a take on a pina colada, but it's blue. Let's try the Azul Navidad. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I want to drink. That's creamy, a little bit nutty. That's the Frangelico, I guess. Brings out a nuttiness. A little bit sweet, but not overly sweet. Oh, yeah, I think I'm gonna have a second sip right away.
So the regifter is a new one for us this year. It's rum, a little bit of cherry herring. We do a house-made pina masala syrup mix, which I think is the most exciting. We have a fun glass with it.
How many people order because of the glass? A lot?
Most of the time, yeah, but at the same time, they're not unsatisfied. It's still like, it's a fun glass, but it's still a good drink, which is really fun for us. Cheers, love.
Oh yeah, it's festive, a little bit silly, but also Christmassy. We are in Alphabet City in the East Village, where after First Avenue, you get to Avenue A, Avenue B, and then we are here on Avenue C. And for our second stop, we're going to be heading inside to Miracle on 9th Street, where it all began. Here in Miracle, it's based on my grandparents' basement in White Plains, New York. So you have that vintage 1950s, 1960s feel. A lot of vintage decor, really old-timey Christmas feeling. But it's really about having a full Christmas experience. You can be transported away, and here there's the music, the vibe, people are smiling, singing, sipping delicious cocktails. So it really takes you away, definitely in a festive mood.
So the Carol Barrel is served in a really ornate, beautiful fa la 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 themed mug. We have our Swiss Miss and lovely chocolate. We have a blend of all of our different liqueurs. So we have our tequila, our coffee liqueur, all mixed together, as well as some really fun baking spices. So you're gonna get that cinnamon, that clove, a little bit of allspice. It gets heaps of this really beautiful pebble ice. And we're gonna garnish this with a lovely slice of orange. So the Christmas Carol Barrel. Here you are, Greg.
All right, let's try that. Looks beautiful. Yeah, that's one of my favorite drinks, because with the crushed ice, the first sip is good, but I also find it's a bit of a sipper, so it kind of evolves a little bit. The crushed ice melts, 4 or 5 minutes, tastes a little different, but I really get like the cinnamon mixed with the chocolate, a little bit of coffee flavor in there.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah.
Get all
good.
those seasonal flavors in one glass.
Yeah, I could drink that. I'm gonna drink it slow, but I could drink that one pretty quickly.
So for our Santa Rex, we're gonna start with our lovely dinosaur Santa Claus. And with my Miracle tins, I'm gonna take a touch of some fresh citrus, melon liqueurs, agave, mezcal, a little bit of a nut-based orgeat, straight into the mug. There's nothing like Christmas without a little touch of umbrella. And since it's Manhattan, we're just gonna let it snow a bit.
That is so, look at this thing. I mean, why dinosaurs? And it's just 8-year-old me, Christmas was all about dinosaurs. I want to drink it, I also just want to stare at it a little bit. It's got a little bit of the tropical flavors with the melon, but it's so good. It's not overly sweet either. It seems, especially with all the ice, kind of, it's really good, yeah.
It's definitely a fan favorite.
We have one more stop. I'm gonna send you across the river to Williamsburg in Brooklyn to see my friend John at Miracle on Union.
Welcome to Miracle on Union. 10.5 months out of the year, this is Thief. I've been a fan of Miracle because Christmas parties to me were always just like one of the best, times of the year. And, they come in here, they feel cozy, they feel warm. The cocktails are really good. And if you're thinking Brooklyn is far away, Williamsburg especially is the first stop off of the L coming from Manhattan, or just a quick ride through the Midtown Tunnel and you're here. We also have some of the best restaurants and bars, I think, in New York City personally. This is Brenda, our head bartender over at Thief, and of course now for Miracle on Union. She's made all of this possible. She's the drink guru here at Miracle on Union, and we're gonna talk about some of the most popular drinks we do.
So we're about to make the On Dasher cocktail, which is a gin fizz variation with a lot of marshmallow. We're gonna start with the orange blossom water, some lemon juice, the marshmallow fluff syrup, which also has black pepper and cardamom. Don't forget the gin. And the last part is a whole egg. It just really adds a creamy, fluffy texture.
And you're doing a dry shake right now?
Yeah, so this just helps the egg incorporate into the cocktail and give it the texture that you want. And then we add ice, which will help get it to the right temperature and dilute it. And then we top with a little soda.
What attracts a lot of people, I think, to this drink is when they see this going on and smell what's happening. And what I love about this drink is the cardamom and the black pepper along with the mushroom syrup, really balances it out. To me, it looks like a drink that might be too sweet, but it really doesn't come across as too sweet to me. It's one of my favorites on the menu. Thank you so much, Brenda.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Happy holidays. Thank you for coming to Williamsburg. Hope to see you in Brooklyn soon.
I hope that put you in the holiday spirit. So come to New York for all the Christmas sights and sounds and stay for the tasty Christmas cocktails. So happy holidays and hope to see you all in New York.